How to buy xAI game studio token. So this token came under the symbol of xAI game. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in a project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down description. You can get free money or on crypto with the best referral code. Same place goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available right now on MEXC. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your funds wallet for that. As you can see, now I will just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. So after you log into your wallet, what you need to do, click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it. Now what you need to do here, just type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or customer, because most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy xAI game token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.